हेलो एवरीवन, आप सभी का फिर से एक बार स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में जिसका नाम है कॉमर्स ट्रेजर। इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट 2018 KSET पेपर 2 ऑफ कॉमर्स. We will be discussing in detail about all the questions which are asked in paper 2. So without wasting much time, let us go to the questions. Political stability means a single political party forming the government, continuity in policy of the country irrespective of the party in power, a single political party getting huge majority in election, consensus on major decisions among political parties. So political stability is nothing but whenever the policies which are made by government remains constant irrespective of the government. So therefore option number B will be the correct option for this question. So whenever we start a new business, a very important factor which we have to see is the political stability. If in a place we have good political stability, then it is good to start a business in that place. The supply side of economic reforms is known as macroeconomic stabilization, first generation reforms, market economy reforms, structural reforms. So supply side reforms are called as structural reforms. So basically when we talk about supply side reforms, there are four major factors which you need to remember. One is labor, second one is capital, third one is technology, and fourth one is regulations. So these are four important factors which we remember from supply side of economic reforms. The next question is on assertion and reasoning type of question. One finds always a difference of opinion between government and RBI regarding interest rate. This is not true. Always there is a difference, we cannot say. Sometimes there may be difference, sometimes they may be on same thought process. And reasoning they give is, while the main focus of the government is on growth, RBI always focuses on inflation. Now this is definitely correct. So government main intention is always growth, that is economic growth, and RBI always focuses on how to maintain the inflation in the country, and because of this they usually announce the monetary policy in order to maintain the money supply in the market. So therefore in this question assertion is incorrect but reasoning is correct. Therefore option number D is correct. The next one is match the following type of question. They have given you list A in which four important points are given, and in list B points regarding to the list A are given. Ease of doing business. Now when you are going to have ease of doing business, what do? You enter into a business, therefore it is about entry policy. Bankruptcy. Bankruptcy is when you do not have enough funds to pay to the creditors of the company. So bankruptcy is a situation where there is exit policy. RERA, RERA. Now RERA stands for Real Estate Regulatory Authority, and it was given as per Real Estate Regulation and Development Act of 2013. So it is for regulation of real estate. And Niti Aayog, which has replaced the Planning Forum, which stands for National Institution for Transforming India, does the function of planning and law policy guidance. So Niti Aayog chairman is always the prime minister of the country, and it is called as a think tank of the government. So therefore A4 we have only one option, A4, B3, C1 and D2. So option number A is the correct answer for this question. In this question they have given you two statements, and you have to find out which statements are correct or incorrect. In a broader sense, privatization involves withdrawal of state from the lives and activities of the people. Definitely yes, in privatization we have to sell off the property of the state to private people, and usually it is done in order to improve the efficiency. And statement B says that the ultimate objective of privatization is to move towards a market economy. It is also true. So both statement A and B are correct. Therefore option number A is the correct answer for this question. According to new definition of MSMEs, a micro enterprise is an enterprise having a revenue of less than 5 crores, less than 1 crore, less than 50 lakhs, less than 25 lakhs. So as per the new regulations, micro enterprise is an enterprise which has capital of less than 1 crore and revenue of less than 5 crore. So option number A is the correct option for this question. For small industries, the capital should be less than 10 crores and revenue in this case should be 50 crores. And in case of medium enterprises, the capital should be less than 50 crores and revenue should be less than 250 crores. Now, how you can remember this? Capital for micro is 1 crore and revenue is 5 times of that, that is 5 crore. Same with small industries, capital is 10 crores and revenue is 5 times, that is into 5, 50. And medium enterprise, capital is 50 crores and into 5 you get the revenue, which is 250 crores. The initiator of second generation reforms in India is P.V. Narasimha Rao, Narendra Modi, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Manmohan Singh. So second generation reforms in India were brought down by Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Option number C. The second generation reforms were in the year 2000 to 2001. The first generation reforms are very important, which were from 1991 to 2000. And after this there were also third generation reforms which were around the 10th 5-year plan. So you can remember these 3 generations of reforms. India is lagging behind China in merchandise export mainly because of uncompetitiveness of Indian industry, non-provision of export duties, lack of encouragement to exports, underdeveloped ports. So underdeveloped ports, no, this is not possible. Lack of encouragement to exports, this is also actually given by the government. Non-provision of export duties, we also provide provision for export duties. So uncompetitiveness in Indian industry is the best option among the given 4 options. Accounting concepts are based on certain assumptions, certain facts and figures, certain accounting models, accounting standards. So always remember, accounting concepts are based on certain assumptions. Option number A is a correct option. When we talk about accounting concepts, the main accounting concept which you have to remember are, first one is business entity concept, which says that business is different and owner is different. Second one is money measurement concept, which says that only the monetary informations are to be recorded into books of accounts. Third one is going concern concept, which says that business is assumed to continue for a long period of time, and because of which we provide for depreciation, expenses, etc. And accounting period concept says that as the business is continuing for a long period of time, we have to split the accounting period into a specific interval which is of 1 year, and that is called as accounting period concept. So these are 4 main accounting concepts. Apart from this, you have many more concepts which you can study from the exam point of view. Arrange the following in the order in which they appear under accounting standards issued by ASB, that is Accounting Standard Board, till 2007. So revenue recognition concept is as per accounting standard 9, valuation of inventories is as per accounting standard 2, depreciation accounting is for accounting standard 6, and cash flow statement is as per accounting standard 3. So the correct order is going to be, first we have 2, then second we have 4. So 2, 4, 3 and 1. Option number B is correct answer for this question. Which of the following is not related to responsibility accounting? Cost center, it is related. Investment center, it is related. Revenue center is also related. So accounting center is not there in responsibility accounting. Cost center is a center where only information about cost is traced. Investment center is a center where information about cost, revenue, capital is traced. Revenue center is a center where only information about the revenue is traced. And we have one more which is called as profit center, where cost and revenue information are being traced. The concept of budget that requires justification for every rupee to be spent for specific purpose is responsibility budget, no. Master budget, no. Flexible budget, no. Zero based budgeting is the right answer. So zero based budgeting is also called as scratch based budgeting, where you are going to start from scratch. Every time you start with 0 and you have to give justification for every small rupee which you are spending. Master budget is sum of all the budgets. Flexible budget is a budget which keeps on changing based on the level of production. Justice P. and Bhagwati report relates to securitization of equity, securitization of debt, mutual funds, merger and acquisition. So right answer is option number B, securitization of debt. OTCEI. So OTCEI stands for Over the Counter Exchange of India, and it is a stock exchange center. So option number A is the correct option for this question, and OTCEI is situated in Mumbai. So you can remember these 2 points about OCTEI. Nikki belongs to Nigerian Stock Exchange Center, Tokyo Stock Exchange Center, Nepal Stock Exchange Center, North Korea Stock Exchange Center. So Nikki is from Japan, and it is the stock market index in Japan, and it belongs to Tokyo Stock Exchange Center. Like in India, we have Sensex and we have also Nifty 50, which are used by BSE and NSE. In the same way, in Japan, we have Japanese Nikkei. BOLT was started in the year. So BOLT stands for BSE Online Trading System. So it was a system which was started in order to deal in stock market online, and it was started in the year 1995, which is option number C. Arrange the following in order in which they were established. BSE is the oldest stock market of Asia and it was established in the year 1875. NSE was established in the year 1992. LSE stands for London Stock Exchange, which was established in the year 1801, and the UTI mutual funds were established in the year 2003. So the correct order as per the establishment is, first one is London Stock Exchange, so 3, second one is BSE 1, third one is NSE, that is 2. So therefore option number A is the correct answer for this question. NAV is associated with mutual fund industry. Definitely yes. NAV stands for net asset value, and the reason they give is NAV is a measure of performance of investment plan. This is also correct. So assertion and reasoning both are correct. Therefore option number D is the correct option for this question. Given the budgeted sales 2 times that of break-even sales, then the margin of safety will be. Now let us assume that budgeted sales is 100 into 2, that is 200. Therefore BEP is going to be 100 and margin of safety is nothing but budgeted sales minus break-even point. So budgeted sales is 200, break-even point is 100, so margin of safety is going to be 100. Therefore the percentage of margin of safety is 100 divided by 200 into 100. So 1 and 200 by 2, that is option number A, 50%. One finds usually a difference between accounting profit and economic profit. Definitely it is correct, because many times the accounting profit and economic profit are different. And statement B is, while accountant takes both explicit and implicit cost, economists take only implicit cost into account in finding out total cost. This is wrong. Actually it is reverse. Accountant take only explicit cost, which is nothing but out of the pocket cost or original cost like wages, salary, etc. And economists take both implicit and explicit cost. Implicit costs are nothing but these are the opportunity cost. So therefore A is correct and B is not correct, which is option number B. So this concludes the first part of this video. If you have any doubts regarding to these questions, you can comment me in the comment box, and if you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get a notification as soon as I upload the new video. Thank you for watching the video, and let us meet again with next video.